and welcome to the bakery. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot cross buns. The recipe for home bakers is actually at the bottom of the video, and I will be doing some subtitles along the bottom as well. Right, in the bowl I've got flour, fat, salt, bit of butter, bit of vitamin C, and a bit of milk powder and yeast. And into that we pop our water. On this machine it's 10 minutes on first speed. For home bakers with your machine, I would suggest 1 minute on first speed, followed by 5 minutes on second speed. The dough's ready now for the hot cross buns, and I'll get on the table. Bowl. I've got mixed spice, currants and sultanas. Put the fruit into it. And dough on. Mix for approximately 1 minute. It's ready. The idea with this is to mix it in nicely and not crush all the fruit to death. And now we'll get on the table. And if you're making these at home, as your home bakers do, scale off at 2 ounces and then mould them up. get the hot cross buns into the prover. The hot cross buns should prove for around about, I would say, between half an hour and an hour, depending on the temperature in your kitchen. In the bakery today it's a little bit warmer, so they'll probably take around about half an hour. Right guys, I'm going to get the hot cross buns out. Get the hot cross buns in. The hot cross buns are ready. There we go. As soon as they come out of the oven, wash them with syrup. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Do subscribe and do share. At the bottom of most of these videos I'm doing now, I'm aiming to do recipes for the home baker. So you can actually bake along with the baker. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!